welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to create this social media graphics using Canva. So let us start the video. You can just click on create a design and choose a custom size like 1080 and 350 pixels and click on create a design. Then you can see it, the artboard is clean now. So we start designing. Then you can use the image like this. We using this image from freepik.com, so you can also use it. It's a free image. Then place it into the bottom and click on text. In this video I am using a text effect of Canva that recently added a new update, so that makes our design looking like awesome. And then capitalize it. We are using font like Peace Sense, that's my favorite font, so you can use it. And then place it at the top and copy this text 3 times like this. And write your full text, design, and then rotate this exactly 90 degree. You can see this exactly 90, and make it small. Then click on this and place it here. This. You can click on the size of this exactly, and click on color. We can use the t-shirt color, yellow t-shirt color, and also using t-shirt color. And then click on text and effect, neon effect. We are using 100% opacity. Then copy it from text and then here and place it and group this text, Ctrl Z, and then place the image here. Now the artboard color we are using yellow, and then we are going to elements and shapes. We are using a triangle shapes to create our design awesome, like white color, and rotate it exactly 90 degree, 180. Then place it here and then make sure large and click on back. Then you can see the design, it's looking great. And then last thing we do this, click on line, and then you can scroll down and see this effect and place it here and copy it 2 times to CV, then rotate it. You can choose the color like white and here for black. So you can see the design. We can create this awesome design using Canva in just 2 minutes. So you can also create this design. For more awesome social media graphics, stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe Designtalk.